Unlocking the secrets of pine wood in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that's simple at first glance but holds a forest of meanings: pine wood. Whether you're a beginner or looking to add more nuance to your English, understanding phrases like this is key to enhancing your language skills. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. When we hear pine wood, we are immediately drawn to the image of tall trees with needle-like leaves. Pine wood refers to the timber obtained from pine trees, which belong to the genus Pinus. It's known for its uses in furniture, construction, and sometimes in art. Now, let's talk about pine wood's characteristics. It's a softwood that is lightweight yet strong, making it a popular choice in the manufacturing of various products. From building houses to crafting musical instruments, pine wood's versatility is unmatched. It's also known for its distinctive knots and resinous scent, which add a rustic charm to its appearance. Moving beyond the literal, pine wood can also convey symbolic meanings. In literature and poetry, pine wood often symbolizes loneliness or stoic beauty, as pine trees can stand tall and alone in harsh climates. The wood's evergreen nature also represents eternal life and steadfastness. Sometimes, pine wood may appear in idiomatic expressions or sayings. For instance, as straight as a pine could be used to describe someone's honesty or moral integrity, drawing on the straight trunk of a pine tree as a metaphor. While such expressions aren't as common, they can be found in various forms of English literature and colloquial speech. And there you have it. From a literal material used in our everyday lives to a symbol rich with meaning, pine wood is more than just a two-word phrase. It's a testament to the depth and beauty of the English language. I hope this exploration has been illuminating and that you're inspired to see the words around you in a new light. Keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.